Hello, parents. This is Miss Jerome-Severe coming with this video. The purpose of this video, if your child is struggling with sounding out words, this video will help them know how to practice or how to sound out words and read the words. Um, I have done video on blending before. I will attach the other videos that where the children were blending words to make were blending the sounds to make the words. So encourage your child to watch the video often so like that they become accustomed to reading to sounding out the sounds and put it together to make the words. Bonsoir parmi eux, c'est Mrs.Jerome-Severe qui vient avec une autre vidéo. Vidéo ça, li pale de timoun yo ki gen difficulté ki jan pou yo mette mot, ki jan pou mette son ensemble pour yo fè yon mot. Te fè l'autre vidéo qui te fait ça déjà, so kounya la ma pral attaché yo nan fin vidéo ça, kon sa pou ka gade yo. Li important pour timoun yo konnen ki jan pou yo mette son ensemble pour yo fè yon mot. All right, so boys and girls, we are going to sound it out digraph. You guys already know what a digraph is. If you don't know what a digraph is, I will put it into the link that we did it before. Nou pral fè son digraph yo. So bakon sa digraph lan ye, ma pa tache video kote nou te fè digraph, et puis kon sa pou koun ki sa on digraph ye. Okay, let's go guys. First, this is the rule. The rule is sound out the following words. Remember that a digraph is one sound made up of two letters. So it's one sound made up of two letters. That's a digraph. So, an nou pa komanse, nou pral fè son mou yo. Sonje bien, digraph se yon son ki forme ak deux lettres. Ou pren deux lettres, ou met ensemble, et puis li fait yon son. So let's go. F, E, sh. Sh is the digraph. Sh is the digraph. F, E, sh. Let's clap it. Very good. What word did you hear? Fish. Very good. Next one. Sh, E, p. Sh, E, p. Clap it together. What do you hear? Sheep. Very good. Let's say the sound. B, E, ch. B, E, ch. Put it together. What's the word you hear? Very good. If you say beach, very good. Beach. B, A, f. B, A, f. Put it together. What do you hear? Bath. Very good. Put it together. We hear bath. Let's do it. F, R, M. F, R, M. What's the word? Farm. What's the word? Farm. What's the word? What do you hear? Path. What do you hear? Path. Very good. R, A, Z. R, A, Z. R, A, Z. Put it together. Raise. Put it together. Raise. Okay. What's the word? Raise. T-O-D. T-O-D. Put it together. Toad. Put it together. Toad. Very good. The next one. D-a-k. D-a-k. Put it together. Duck. Put it together. Duck. Say it nice and loud. E. E. Put it together. Queen. Put it together. Queen. What's the word? Queen. B-O-T. B-O-T. Put it together. Boat. Put it together. Boat. What's the word? Boat. T-O-Y-Z. T-O-Y-Z. Put it together. Toys. Put it together. Toys. What's the word? Toys. R-A-K. R-A-K. Put it together. Rock. Put it together. Rock. What's the word? Rock. K-R-Z. K-R-Z. Put it together. Cars. Put it together. Cars. What's the word? Cars. S-I-G. S-I-G. Sing. Sing. Put it together. Sing. Put it together. Sing. What's the word? Sing. K-owl. 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 Put it together. Cow. Put it together. Cow. What's the word? Cow. B-oo-k. B-oo-k. Put it together. Book. Put it together. Book. What's the word? Book. B-bird. B-bird. Put it together. Bird. Put it together. Bird. What's the word? Bird. R-O-D. R-O-D. What's the word? Road. Put it together. Road. What's the word? Road. You ready? Ch, 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 ch. Put it together. Ch, 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 ch. Put it together. Church. Put it together. Church. What's the word? Church. Very good. B, R, B, R, B, R, Let's say slowly. B, arn, B, arn. What do you hear? Barn. What do you hear? Barn. What's the word? Barn. Let's make the sound. R, oo, R, oo, Let's say slowly. R, What's the word? Room. What's the word? Room. What do you hear? Room. Sh, ark. Sh, ark. What do you hear? Put it together. Sh, ark. Sh, ark. Put it together. Shark. R, E, F, R, E, F, reef. Reef. What's the word? Reef. T, R, E. T, R, E. Let's say slowly. T, R, E. Tree. Tree. Very good if you say tree. Tree. What's the word? Tree. All right. Thank you, parents, for watching. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And please make sure your child, you pause the video to have them blend the sound, together to say each sound and blend it and say the word. The more practice makes perfect. So make sure they do it. Pause the video, watch it with them, do it with them, listen to what they're saying. If they say it wrong, correct them. So like that, they know how to say it properly. And the next time, you should be able to pause it and they should be able to tell you what the words are. Ok, bon, merci parents yo, deske nou te gade. Make sure que les ti moun yo ap gade video an, nou pose video an, kon sa pou ti moun yo fè son yo pou nou tande. Ou même tande son mwen fè yo, et puis kounya la le petit wap fè son an pou li fè son an bien. Parce sou kon ki sa la fè, li ka lil bien. Mais sou pa porter attention, li don wa lil mauvais n'importe jan, et puis li pa fèl bien. So make sure nou porter attention. Alright, pa bliye subscribe pou chanel lan, pou nou ka pataje chanel la avek video, avek lot moun ki gen ti moun ki gen problem apren. E pi tou, fè ti komantè pou fèm konen eski video an bon, eski liye de piti tou, konsa pou mka konen ki video nou ta remen fè. Di mwen ki video nou ta remen fè, e pi mda fè pou nou. Alright, parents, this is it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Share with any other parents who speaks English, but their children are struggling, and I make it in a way that there's no music so the child is able to focus. They're not focusing on the music, but they're focusing on what they're doing. So share with other parents and also subscribe. Leave me a memo. Let me know. Send me a message telling me, does it work for you? Does it help your child? Is your child benefiting from it? All right. So thank you for watching. I see you guys later. OK, à une autre fois encore. Bye.